Hello everyone, welcome to all in this channel. Today I am going to show how to draw the projections of a cylinder. This is the projections of a cylinder. I already drawn this one before. Now we will draw the projection of a cylinder step by step. Initially we need to take a line. This line we need to take, and the left side is X and the right side is Y, and up one is VP, below one is HP, vertical plane and horizontal plane. Now we need to draw the circle. As we can see in the cylinder, we have two faces, circle and a rectangle face. The top view we can see circle, and the front view when we open we can see a rectangle. First we will draw a circle. In VP we need to draw a circle, or if in the question there if you mention like VP and HP, then you need to draw, or else anywhere in VP or HP you can draw. Here the diameter is 40, so that radius should be 20. Now divide this circle into 8 parts. For that we need to use div command. Div enter 8 enter. Now draw the lines from the each part, from every point draw the lines. Double enter or double space bar, you can get the previous command. Single enter or single space bar, you can get the previous command like I am showing you. This previous command you will get like this. Again you can draw like this. By this you can get the previous command by using spacebar or enter. Now the length is 60. From the center, draw 60. Now from side also 60. Now 40. Again connect. Extend these lines also. Now the projection is completed. Let's highlight. Highlight this circle and this all. In bilayer, you need to give 0.4 or 5. For bilayer, we should click this one. This should be in blue color or highlight. This is if we on this one only, we will get this line weight. It should be on to see this line weight. Then namings. I will copy all these namings and explain you. It is a HP, BP, X and Y. I already explained you before. Now you can see this one 1, 8, 2, 7, 3, 6. These all numbers are. Uh, we will start from here A, H, B, and B means it is the inside, the other part of the cylinder. B, C, D. This all are the other part which we cannot see. That should be in brackets. And this is the projections. Dash means in the VP side. Without dash means in the HP side we need to keep. These are all the namings. We divided it to 8 parts, so that 8 numbers. If for pentagon we need to give for 5, we need to give 5, hexagon 6, like that. Circle, cylinder and cone we need to take circle and we need to divide it into 8 parts. This is the projections of the cylinder. I think you understood. Let's meet on our next video. Thank you. Bye bye.